Now that we've got our wire prepped and our solder iron prepped, it's time to solder into our board. Now the boards that you're going to practice on don't have a front and a back, but the actual prototype board that you use with your LED flashlight does have a front and a back. So you want to be aware of that. Now, what we're going to do, I'm just going to turn the board sideways a smidge. So we're going, so that you can see this, we're going to insert the wire through the bottom into the board. And we're going to do two pieces of wire so that they stick out on the other side. Let's see if I can get a little bit better right there. And that's going to basically simulate some type of component like a resistor that's going in, and you always have the two leads of the resistor. So what we want to be careful about here is not shoving the insulating plastic through the hole, because that's definitely possible. And then when you try to solder that plastic, it's just not going to solder, and it's going to be frustrating for you, and it's not going to work. The other thing that we want to do to keep these wires from sliding in and out is just to bend them slightly. Okay, so you can see how I bent one this way and one that way. Okay, so then when I turn this, it's not going to fall out of the board, because this is the point at which. So now what we have here, if you can see it, is we've got one right here and one right here. So we're going to move forward a little closer now so that you can see those a little easier. And we'll give this soldering thing a whirl. So we can see that it's kind of oxidized again, just sitting here just for this few moments. And we want to put a little bit more solder on there. Okay. And then my suggestion would be, I found that this works a little easier. So I just put a little solder on the tip before I go in. And I'm going to come in from one side with the solder and one side with the iron. And I'm touching it to the wire and touching it to the board, and then pushing the solder into the hole. And then what I should come up with is kind of a little candy kiss. So let's just get a little closer. Alrighty, so you can see that, got that kind of little candy kiss mountain. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time. And you may want to also have this board snag between both of your alligator clips, just so that it holds it as steady as possible. So again, I'm going to take my iron, I'm going to clean it out in the Brillo pad. I'm going to touch a little bit of solder to the tip. And I'm going to push my solder iron into the wire in the board, and then come in from the other side with solder until I got myself, again, that little mountain of solder. Okay, so that's what you're trying to get at.